party leader and next Prime Minister of Jamaica, Comrade General Secretary, my brother and friend, Comrade Dayton Campbell, Comrade candidates, comrades one and all, good night to each and every one of you. So, I got up this morning, and when I wake up this morning, I prayed for each and every one of you. Because in the next 6 weeks, you'll be walking in victory lane in the People's National Party. So, I speak on the portfolio of water. But my General Secretary said to me tonight, he want me to prosecute a case. And Comrade Donna said, I've been called to the bar of the People's National Party. So, party leader, I walk with some money in my pocket tonight. Because they talk about prosperity. So I walk with $1 US. Because all the prosperity in this country is tied to this $1 US. So I go and take you tonight, I go and prosecute the case tonight from 2016 to 2025. So in 2016, the US dollar was 128. The Jamaican dollar, if you're buying the US dollar, you had to come up with $128.44. In 2017, it was $125. In 2018, it was $127.72. In 2019, it was $132.57. In 2020, it was $142.65. In 2021, it was $155.09. In 2022, it was in 2024, it was $156.42. And the year that they asked you for prosperity and to give them a third term, it was $160.36 in the year 2025. Comrades, on the 10th year of this government, just they have come to the people of this country and say to the people that you should give them a third term because there's prosperity on the land. Party leader, 47% of the people that collect remittance, that will not go to Western Union, go collect the little money. It has gone up by 5%. That means the little one I don't know where the family has sent no money from overseas. You have to send it more frequently because it has gone up by over 5%. 36% of Jamaicans, 1 in 3 Jamaicans, 1 in 3 Jamaicans live on the little money where them get from them family overseas. This election is not about choosing. I want you to follow me, you know. This election is not about choosing. Because each and every one of you in the crowd, if you look at your birth certificate, if you look at my golden birth certificate, if you look at Dan Campbell's birth certificate, if you look at my birth certificate, it's a Jamaica, land of my birth. I want you to follow me. Comrades, last week while I was in Trelawney party leader, I made a mistake. I'm correcting it this week. So I came out with a bread last week. And the comrades then ball out and said to me, Dayton, say, it's $700 for your bread. Party leader, this year 1 year for $700. This year 1 year for $700. So in 2016 when the JLP took over, this bread was for $230.80. In 2025, this bread is for $700. I need a little help over here, you know. Oats. Look for the oats there for me. 200 grams of oats in 2016 when they told you prosperity. This cost $97.60. In 2025, it costs $230.80. This is oats here. Surge Island Dairy Milk, 1 liter. In 2016, this cost $236. In 2025, the year of prosperity, when they come to you to ask you for a third term, it costs $730. Toothpaste. In 2016, this costs $111. It now costs $330 in 2025. Cornmeal. That's true, you know, party leader. Cornmeal in 2016, $78.40. In 2025, when they're asking you for a third term, this cornmeal costs $197. The price have doubled. Comrades, I want to go to eggs. 1 dozen egg in 2016 cost $280. In 2025, when they're asking you for a third term, the egg, 1 dozen egg costs $800. Corned beef. Grace corned beef that we love to eat with white rice. When I eat the corned beef, I eat it with white rice. Grace corned beef in 2016, $268.80. In 2025, when they're asking you for a third term, the same Grace corned beef has gone up 3 times. It now costs $645. A 700? 700, all right. Comrades, I want to get to the oxtail, you know. Then I want to get to the oxtail. That's me want to get to. 2 pounds of oxtail in 2016, the year of prosperity, cost $875. Today, that same 2 pound oxtail, the year that they're asking you for a third term, costs $3,650. It has gone up 4 times what it was in the year 2016. Saltfish. Comrades, I want you to hear me, you know. Salt fish. Nothing is sweeter than salt fish. In 2016, salt fish was $1,108 a pound. Salt fish is now $1,940.63. Salt fish double in the year that they're asking you for a third term. Comrades, I had a liquor today, you know. Sham, I want you to take out the white rum for me. I want you to take out the white rum for me. I want you to take out the white rum tonight. for me. So, in the year 2016, whether you were drunk or whether you were sober, the cost of white rum was $700, or 750 liters. The cost of white rum in the 10th year, when they're asking you for a third term, $3,069.35. And comrades, hold on. I don't drink the bum, you know. What you call it, boom? Take out the boom there for me if you go with the white rum, because we're going to have a drink tonight. We're going to have a drink tonight. Comrades, in 2016, the year of prosperity when it started, the boom was for $150. In the year when they're asking you for a third term, 2025, the boom now costs $450. That's what the boom now costs. Sham, for all the drivers out there that are driving, I want you to take up the 1 liter of 87 gas. The yes, make it green, comrade. Comrade, let me tell you the price of it. Because the orange one is on its way. Hold tight. Turn up the ting. Turn up the ting. $1 liter 87 octane in 2016 cost $111. In 2025, when they're asking you for a third term, that same gas now costs $208 a liter. And all I know who went through barrel down here with Miranda, all I know that went through barrel down here with Miranda and couldn't put zinc on the roof. I want you see the 6-foot sheet of zinc, yes sir? You know, see the 6-foot sheet of zinc, right? In 2016, the year of this so-called misery prosperity, the zinc was between $961 and $1,182. In 2025, the year of 10 years of all of this prosperity, the zinc is now $2,650. It has gone up 3 times the amount that it was before in 2016. So the General Secretary called me today. Him say, Ian, you can't come here, come talk to the people, them and talk about fertilizer. So I want Floyd Green to step to the front of the class right now. Step to the front of the class. In 2016, a bag of 1122 fertilizer cost $5,000. In the year 2025, when they're asking each and every one of you for a third term, that same bag of fertilizer now costs $11,000. And one thing you know, Dayton, I love chicken. Finger licking good. I love chicken. 2 pounds of chicken in 2016 costs $900. 2 pounds of chicken. In 2025, when they're asking you for a third term, that chicken costs $2,250. The price of chicken has doubled under prosperity. And I want to get to the most important one of them all, you know. The big deal. take out the big deal there for me. See, I walk with the big deal tonight. I man walk, party leader. I walk with the big deal tonight. Sham, I want you to hold the mic for me. In 2016, you could buy this. In 2016, you could buy this for $900. I want you to follow me now. You could buy a whole chicken in 2016, the year of prosperity, for $900. The price of the big deal in 2025, 3-piece, the year of prosperity, is $1,420. So, in 2016, you could get one whole of chicken. Under the big deal plan, you can only get 3 pieces of chicken. Now you want to tell me that this is prosperity and this is they deserve a 3rd term? Comrades, everything where you see me bring up here so tonight, everything where you see come up here so tonight, it costs $28,420.78. So in closing, as Comrade Donna has anointed me and called me to the bar party leader, in closing, comrade, prosperity can't name because you can't see it for name it. The economy can't name because you can't get it for eat it. Prosperity is not prosperity. It is misery and it is hunger. Comrades, when each and every one of you go to the supermarket, if you look behind every cashier, me call it the put back shelf. Most things you want to pick up when you put back on the shelf behind you. So I put the case to you tonight as the jury and the jury out there in Jamaica watching us. Do they deserve a 3rd term? Do they deserve a 3rd term? Do they deserve a 3rd term? Comrade Donna, guilty as charged. Comrades one and all, God bless you and I thank you.
Me, I'm done picking it. So all you want to me say you can't stop me. Just take your mind off of me. Take your mind off of me. I know
me. Comrades, things not right. Things not right, comrades. But hang tight because Mark Golden and the PNP are gonna make things right.